binary files and put some links in your code?
What it really does is it installs packages to that particular profile, to this prefix,
Okay.
.geeks profile. It's as if you could imagine it as /opt. Okay.
Okay. And could you also install system-wide some package?
You could do that.
Yes.
If every user had that profile in their path, yes, you can do that.
Okay.
It is also possible to one more thing. You can install packages into different profiles, so you're not limited to just one profile. Some applications simply cannot install together. Like SAMtools 1.3 cannot be installed with SAMtools 0.1 at the same time because they both provide bin SAMtools. That would clash, and Guix would have no way of telling which one is which, right? So you can just say Guix package p, I don't know, path to some profile, okay?
Yeah, really.
And then hello, okay? Because now I've got these two hello versions, and I don't want them to clash.
You have that dash I.
Right, correct. Thank you. This should work. Yeah, and now it tells me, helpfully, that I should add this. Yes, you.
Yeah, thank you. You said installing a package is a pure functional application. It's if there is no side effect.
Yes.
Okay. So is it possible to inherit a package? You said hello can iterate with your own patch. Okay. Is it possible to take care about, for example, the host name of the machine when you package something, because you have two servers, for example, which talk to each other. They are the same package installed, but with inverted configuration. Is it possible to handle that with some kind of Guix?
I have difficulty understanding the
How to handle state?
how to handle state.
How to handle state, for example, if you have two Apache web servers, right?
Yeah, for example, you have two load balancers, for example, round robin, for example, with two servers. Each other needs to know the counterpart.
Okay.
So they have the pretty same configuration, but the names of the pairs are reversed.
This would be done in service configurations. What I've explained so far is just packages.
Yeah.
Okay, packages come with standard configuration files, but what you're referring to is having particular configuration files for different machines.
Yeah.
Is that right? We also have a distribution extended out of the idea of Guix, which is Guix system distribution, and it can be configured similarly. This is my configuration, which is a bit messy, but it allows you to define the operating system in a declarative manner. So you could generate different variants of a configuration file for different systems and initialize them at whatever state you wish.
Okay. So I can remove my configuration system actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
That's what I did anyway. Yeah. There was some more questions. Oh, just you.
Is there a bootstrap story? So, for instance, do you, in practice, install Guix using Guix? And if so, how do you manage rollback if there's a problem?
When I first installed Guix, I used the binary distribution of Guix. You just download it, extract it, and then you can use Guix to create an environment in which you can build Guix from source. This is another great feature. It probably won't work because I don't have the right, I don't have internet here. But I can say Guix environment Guix, and it creates an environment, a shell, in which all the dependencies that Guix needs are temporarily available. And then I can just compile Guix from scratch.
The version, is there an easy way to roll back using some less scripts, or do you have to do some hacking around with some links?
What do you mean, an easy way to roll back?
Well, one of the main features of Guix is that you can roll back.
Correct.
Guix itself breaks because you upgraded Is there an easy path to go back?
It has never happened to me. I don't know. I haven't thought about it, but I can think about it and let you know later.
Like you can manually redirect.
Yeah. Oh yes. Sure. You can. It's just symlinks, right? You can, but that's messy. I mean, that's.
Yeah.
There's got to be a more complicated solution to that. Yes.
Yes, for your manifest files, you use a hash.
Correct.
On the version. How do you create manifest files so that keep track automatically on the version?
When we download the tarball, you mean for the sources now?
For example, how to keep track of version. For example, there's an URL with the latest version, but the hash will change with.
Correct. So when we upgrade our package definitions, we upgrade both the version and the hash, and we get the hash by just downloading the file.
Yeah, you should just have to.
Yes. Yes.
So once you build your, environment, move it onto different machines without requiring everything.
Absolutely. You can export from the store. You can import it. That's a very rough manner to do it. You can also. We've got different levels at which this is possible. Yeah. Yes.
Is there a way to install Guix packages without any root access?
It is. The thing is that currently the Guix daemon runs as root. It is. Apparently, it's possible to let it not run as root, but then you don't get complete isolation. That's I haven't done it, but the daemon has to run as root so far. But there's work on the way to get to use Linux user namespaces for that, which would allow us not to have to use root for that.
Thank you, Ricardo.